Hey Bug, so it's the first time for everything. This is our charcoal soap and it has soda ash on top. I haven't the slightest idea why, but it does. Doesn't bother me any. I'll just wipe it off after I let it sit for maybe a day or two. So let's chop into this. I'm just trying to line it up and make sure it's straight. I have to cut a little end piece off, a little slither. Pure black, and that is wonderful, and it smells amazing. I love charcoal soap. I love black soap. Anything black, clothes, soap. I want to try that black ice cream. If you guys think I'm weird, it's fine. It looked like it was trying to gel in the middle for some apparent reason. I didn't gel these. It's the first time I'll be not doing that. I usually gel all of my soaps, most of the time anyway. But I'm going to shut up now and just let you enjoy me cutting. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.